And we're back with first time farmers market finds. So I found these guys, they're called salt and pepper cucumbers, little yellow cuties. I'm really excited to try them. So let's cut one open and give it a go. The only thing I know about them is they're supposed to be great raw and they're supposed to be super sweet. Well, that took an interesting turn. So I cut it open and bit into it, and that cucumber happened to be extremely bitter, which brings me to a good point that we can talk about, which is if you ever have a cucumber that is super, super bitter, like think endive bitter, or like bitter melon bitter, like ooh, kind of crazy bitter, I probably wouldn't eat it. Give you like really bad GI problems. So stay away from that. I'm gonna cut open another one and see if it's the same thing. Okay, round two. Very crunchy, really crunchy, and quite sweet. So I guess the rule of thumb is look for the ones that are super yellow, because the first one I cut into was very, very pale. I don't know if that has anything to do with it, but I'm gonna ask them next time I go to the farm. Really delicious. I'm gonna try putting some salt and pepper on it, hence the name, and see if that makes it any better. Salt and pepper cucumber, really delicious.